Hey there, business owners and entrepreneurs. Are your Facebook ads falling flat? Struggling to pull in quality leads and consistent sales? Well, guess what? I've been there. But today, I'm here to tell you about a game changer, the Facebook sales funnel. At Marketive, we don't just run ads. We create strategic funnels that do more than just attract eyeballs. We're talking about transforming those viewers into engaged prospects, and those prospects into loyal customers. It's 2024, folks, and the days of haphazard advertising are long gone. Now let me break it down for you. A sales funnel is like a journey where we carefully guide potential customers from awareness all the way to the purchase stage. Each step is meticulously crafted to ensure engagement and build trust. Think of it as a path sprinkled with breadcrumbs leading right to your doorstep. And here's the kicker. At Marketive, we've perfected this art. We've helped countless clients not just meet their goals, but smash them. We're talking skyrocketing sales figures, through-the-roof engagement, and brand transformation that makes competitors sweat. So, if you're ready to stop spinning your wheels with ads that don't convert and start investing in a funnel that delivers, reach out to us. Let's make 2024 the year you revolutionize your business with a Facebook sales funnel that actually works. Remember, in the world of digital marketing, it's not just about reaching out, it's about reaching smart. Let's do this together. Reach out and let's start this journey.